Ah, fuck, that's not quick say. Do this again.
Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So at last time out of my van, because from next week on Lolita is gonna be rented. So if you want to rent Lolita, then check out Lolita's Instagram account, Lolita the van. Look below. Yeah, I had actually already 2-3 weeks reservations, so really happy with that. I hope they are also happy with Lolita and bring them on some nice adventures. Yeah, anyway, because this is kind of the last time out of Lolita for a while, I thought I would show you my first trip with Lolita, and that was actually pretty much 1 year ago. So yeah, 1 year ago I wanted to test Lolita with my best friend. So we wanted to make a little tour, but we had no idea where we want to go. We drove a little bit through Bern and ended up at a beautiful lake in the mountains. Yeah, we had a really great weekend. So let's see how the first trip from Lolita looked like. Unfortunately, already on that trip I had kind of my first breakdown of the car. Suddenly the light for the cooling water was blinking like crazy, so I stopped, wanted to wait until the water can cool down. It didn't, so when I started the engine again, it was still blinking like crazy. Actually, I could not find a solution by myself, so I called my mechanic and he just told me to fill up some water in the cooling water. So yeah, that was the first breakdown and already learned for the first time something to it. The trip was anyway pretty cool and it was a good test for Lolita. Unfortunately, I couldn't do a trip with my van in my time here in Switzerland because I was just working too much to have that much free time. But anyway, when I'm finished working, I'm free again. Yeah! So, next time I will show you my spontaneous trip to Cologne, where I visited a friend from my Europe trip. And yeah, I had a few really nice days, even though the weather was not perfect, but I liked it. So yeah, tune in next time to see this. Until then, bye guys. Gas Fabio, läuft's.